What if I told you, you could slow down the clock of time? Not with magic, not with surgeries, but with the pure power of nature. Asterisk. Yes, it's possible, and today, I'm revealing 10 extraordinary oils that science and tradition both celebrate for their incredible anti-aging powers. Stay with me till the very end, because not only will you discover these oils, but I'll also share exactly how to use them for the best results. Let's dive in. 1. Argan oil, the liquid gold. Known as liquid gold, from Morocco, argan oil is rich in vitamin E and fatty acids. It deeply moisturizes your skin, boosts elasticity, and fades fine lines. A few drops daily, and you'll feel your skin drinking in the nourishment. 2. Rosehip seed oil, the skin regenerator. Packed with vitamin A and C, rosehip oil stimulates collagen production. It's like giving your skin a second life. Apply at night and wake up to visibly brighter, smoother skin. 3. Jojoba oil, the balancer. Jojoba mimics your skin's natural oils, balancing moisture and controlling sebum. No more greasy shine, only youthful radiance. 4. Pomegranate seed oil, the wrinkle fighter. Pomegranate oil contains punicic acid, a potent antioxidant that fights free radicals, reducing wrinkles and promoting skin cell regeneration. Think of it as a shield against time. 5. Marula oil, the glow booster. Lightweight yet deeply hydrating, marula oil is perfect for keeping your skin soft and glowing without feeling heavy. Great for all skin types, especially sensitive skin. 6. Sea buckthorn oil, vitamin powerhouse. This oil is a powerhouse of over 190 nutrients. Rich in omega-7 fatty acids, it restores skin elasticity and fades age spots. Apply sparingly, a little goes a long way. 7. Frankincense oil, the ancient secret. Used since ancient Egyptian times, frankincense tones, tightens, and revitalizes aging skin. Its divine aroma is a bonus for your senses. 8. Carrot seed oil, the natural retinol. Carrot seed oil is nature's version of retinol, but gentler. It promotes cell turnover and smoothens fine lines, giving your skin a youthful boost. 9. Almond oil, vitamin E-rich elixir. Almond oil deeply hydrates and lightens dark under eye circles. Massage gently every night for softer, more supple skin. 10. Coconut oil, the timeless healer. A classic choice, coconut oil locks in moisture, repairs the skin barrier, and fights signs of aging. Use it as an overnight mask for a rejuvenated morning glow. Now that you know these incredible oils, here's the secret sauce: consistency and correct usage. Always do a patch test, use the right amount, and massage gently. Let your skin breathe and absorb the magic of nature. And remember, beauty is not about chasing youth, it's about nurturing your natural glow at every age. Did you find this valuable? Then make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Health Mastery, and share this with someone you care about. And hey, come back and watch this anytime you need a reminder that youthful skin is just a drop away. Stay radiant, stay healthy. See you in the next video.